wheel off, I'm going to use a 21mm socket. Remove the wheel. Just going to spray a little rust penetrant on here. This is pretty rusty. Let it soak. I'll do the same on the bottom one. I'm going to take this nut off, use an 18mm wrench, and then to hold the stud, I'm going to use a 6mm hex bit. And loosen this up first. And take that nut off and then slide this out. And I'm going to do the same with the bottom one. Use an 18mm wrench and a 6mm hex bit. Take that nut off and slide the link out. The new link. Line it up, put the nut on, I'm going to use a 22mm wrench on the back side of the stud to hold that from spinning, and use a 18mm socket to tighten the nut down. And then torque that nut to 62 foot-pounds. Get it. There we go. And take the top link. Top part of the link, slide it through the strut, put the nut on, and do the same. And then torque to 62 foot-pounds. Put the wheel back on, and the lug nuts. Now I'm going to torque these lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds in a star pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.